How can you use a combined shape to make new shapes?
Hi there! Some kids were playing with the blocks in this bucket. Lance and I watched them combine different shapes. Take a look. The kids combined a cylinder and a cube to make a new shape. Check it out. Hey, Lance, look at the new shape the kids made. I wonder what would happen if you repeated this shape. Then combine the two. What do you think the new shape could look like? Come on, let's find out.
Layla put one of these blocks on top of the other. What does her new shape look like? One block is a cone. It has a curved surface and one flat surface. The other block is a cylinder. It has a curved surface and two flat surfaces. Which of these blocks must go on the bottom? Click to find out. The cylinder needs to go on the bottom. What must Layla do before stacking the cone? She has to turn it so the flat surface is on the bottom. Turn the cone. Now she can put the cone on top of the cylinder. Build the new shape. Let's describe the new shape. It has one flat surface, and it has two different curved surfaces. Build a tower using this cube and cone. Then use that tower to create another new shape. First, build the tower. Stack the cube and cone. Now repeat. Stack another cube and cone. Think about how you can combine these towers to make a new shape. Can you make this shape? Select yes or no. Good job! No, you can't make this new shape with the two towers because the bottoms of the towers are made with cubes, not cylinders. Can you make this new shape with the two towers? Select yes or no. That's not it. This doesn't work. There are two cubes and two cones in the new shape, but they aren't stacked, so you can't use the two towers to make this new shape. Let's try another. Can you make this new shape? Good job! Yes, this is a new shape that you can make with the two towers. If you combine the towers by putting them side by side, you'll make this new shape. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Look at the shape. How many blocks are used to make the shape? Use the three-dimensional shape below to build, repeat, and combine into something new. Select the new shape you can make.
Awesome!
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Use the three-dimensional shape below to build, repeat, and combine into something new. Select the new shape you can make.
Awesome!
Use the three-dimensional shape below to build, repeat, and combine into something new. Select the new shape you can make.
Great work!
Use the three-dimensional shape below to build, repeat, and combine into something new. Select the new shape you can make.
Excellent!
Use the three-dimensional
Use the three-dimensional shape below to build, repeat, and combine into something new.
Well done!
Look at the shape. How many blocks are used to make the shape?
Well done!
Avery wonders what new shape he could make with the two combined shapes below.
Good job! Thanks for helping me make new shapes out of combined shapes. See you later!